Kajal Gandhi is joining in to assess the numbers for us. Kajal, what's your sense in terms of the rise in Opex for HDFC Bank, in terms of their strategy for this kind of growth, and how would you look at the overall numbers, the fact that asset quality as well has improved, and this time around you've also seen the CASA growth as well that has been decent?
Hi, good morning. Yes, HDFC Bank as such has reported a good set of numbers. We have seen a continuous improvement even in NII growth this quarter also. And bottom line also, on the PAT front, they continue to report this 19.7% PAT growth. But when we look at overall OPEX, I think that's one area which they have highlighted, continuing to be spending a lot on that and for the branch and the deposit network, which I think from a budget perspective is what they are looking forward for making their deposit base on the higher side. So opening of a huge branch in this quarter itself was a unexpected thing that happened. But still that I think considering the overall merger scenario, this looks a good strategy and with the base shoring up of this deposit base, they should be able to manage that liability thing well.
Okay, there you have it. That's the view coming in. What's the outlook then when it comes to the overall asset quality front? You know, we did speak about how there has been an improvement this time around, but is there some sort of a risk build up in your view, and how do you expect it to play out?
I think per se they are doing HDFC Limited is already selling whatever I think they were having the pain assets or they may be wanting to get rid before they get into the merger. And HDFC Bank, I think sequentially has shown improvement on asset quality with this GNP ratio. We believe that asset quality from the retail book perspective is still not a big concern for HDFC Bank or the sector as a whole. Somewhat MSME or the Mudra loans in the recent past, which had been done, may create a bit of some increase in NPA numbers. But from the size of the bank, HDFC Bank or the sector as a whole, these loans, I think NPA should not be so large in numbers and which should not impact overall bank HDFC Bank in terms of earnings or on the provisions numbers. They are sitting with such 170, 180% of excess on the provision side and huge floating plus other contingent provisions. We don't believe asset quality in the coming period is an issue.
Right. Kajal, just very quickly then, there are upgrades galore on HDFC Bank and many continue to believe in the compounder that traditionally HDFC Bank has been. What are you upgrading your target to?
So we already have a buy rating on the call on the stock, and we are having a target of 1970 on the bank. So we will remain positive. In post merger, also constructively, we should remain positive.
All right, there you have it. That's the view coming in on HDFC Bank. But